Good morning, everybody. It is a creepy, somewhat eerie morning because of the fog. Oh, but I'm up a little bit earlier than usual so that I can, on a Wednesday, so that I can work on this. I have a test at 2, and then class at 12 and at 5 as well, so that is what I'm working on right now. We are allowed to have note cards for this test, and I've been working on these, and not for all my note cards, but this one specifically I'm very proud of, because we covered just the tail end of this topic so I could fit it all in one note card. But anyway, that is what I'm doing now, and if anything else happens, I'll let you know. Hi.
Hello.
We got out of accounting and now we are at the IAC. We're using it. I got them. I got them in. Do you like this place?
Yes. Hi.
I feel so special because I snuck them in here. But we are studying right now, just getting a little bit out of the way before you have to go to class.
Yes.
And Tanner, get your feet off the table.
Nah.
Okay. All right, go.
Alright, we gotta wait.
You can just use the same piece. Just use the
Wait,
same
it has to be
piece.
fresh piece. Alright, ready? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. There you go. God, that's so scary. Oh god. Oh god.
Alright guys, I got back home. Taylor got back home.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome back home.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But anyway, the day is over, and oh, this came in. My novel I designed. I'm not very proud to show you this. It's not my best work, but it'll do for now. But anyway, pretty sure I did not do well on the legal environments test, so that is kind of keeping me in a sour kind of mood.
I know what'll make you feel better.
But that is okay. What'll make me feel better?
You are the mother.
So, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.